Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up automations on the Aura Labs app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and set up some automations from when your backlight TV turns on or off. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Aura Labs app and make sure your devices are connected. Now, once it's connected, go ahead in the bottom right hand corner, click on rules, and this is where you could actually start setting up some automations. So you can click on the plus icon in the upper right hand corner, and when something is done manually, you can set up an automation or you can set it to a timer. So for example, the automations that I have is that when the time hits 2 a.m., the backlight TV will turn off, and vice versa. I have another timer where once it hits 4 p.m., the backlight will turn on. So that's essentially how to set up automations on the Aura Labs app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.